When I'm working on brand strategy or copy strategy for new clients, one of the questions I always ask is, what word would you want your business to be synonymous with? So what word would you want to be known for? So if someone heard that word in the street, they would instantly think of your business. Examples might be Gary Vee, the marketing guru, who really became known for the word hustle. So he used that word all the time, and now when people hear hustle, they often think of Gary Vee. Another really powerful example of using a power word is Snickers, who became synonymous with hangry. So they built a whole marketing campaign around this idea of being hangry. Or Kitkat, who actually became known for an action. So they developed this whole strategy around taking a break, have a Kitkat. And now when people take a break, they may think of a Kitkat. And the same with Coca Cola, really becomes synonymous with good times. So when people do that, take that action, have a good time, they may instantly think of Coca Cola. So if you can think of a power word for your business, this is a word that might embody what your business is about. It might be an aspirational word that motivates you. Use that word in your copy. Use it when you're talking about your business, and it will become synonymous with your business. And eventually, when people hear that word in real life or in life that doesn't involve your business, they will be thinking about you. So a really great copy tip or branding tip is to find a power word.